push away the things I plan to say. Oh, baby.
All right, you got a Cricut machine, and now you need to know how to replace the blade in the machine, either because it didn't have it already installed or because you've used it and it's not cutting, so you need to install a new blade. So I thought this would be a really fun and easy video to show you how to change the blade in your Cricut machine. And I know the blades are the same in the Cricut Maker as well as the Cricut Explorer Air. So first thing, we're going to open our machine. And if you have the Explorer Air or Explorer Air 2 or 3, it may open a little bit differently. But this is the Cricut Maker, and this is where the blade lives. This is in the housing unit letter B. So you flip the clamp and then it opens up. And then you take the blade housing unit out. And you can see the blade. Hopefully you can see the blade. And to see the blade, you just press the end and you can see the blade pops out. But you don't want to just grab the blade because it's sharp. And I have a lot of extra blades in my little storage container. That way I don't lose them. So I keep my extra blades in my machine itself. And I bought these on Amazon. They were super affordable. But you see they have this little vinyl tip on it, just like the Cricut blades do. So I'm going to remove that. And I'm going to press in on the end. And I'm going to put that little vinyl guy on the blade, keeping it depressed. And I'm going to remove it. Pretty easy, right? So then, if you want to put a new blade in, it's even easier. Because this is magnetic, you just press the end, drop the blade in, and you're ready to cut. Pretty awesome. So once I have my new blade in, then I just put the housing unit back into the B section, close this door, then close this door, and it's ready to go. And one more thing I wanted to show you. And I actually talked about this in my video, 35 Cricut tips, tricks, and hacks. But if you take a rolled up piece of aluminum foil and you push your blade into it, it will actually get off any of that yucky stuff, any vinyl residue, glitter off of your blade. Now, some people may say that this will sharpen your blade. I don't think it's going to sharpen it, but it definitely will keep it clean. Just watch your fingers and don't poke it into your fingers because that is a blade. Then we can just put him back in, close him back up. Then we can just put the housing unit back in, close it up, and we're ready to cut something with our brand new blade.